5 decades ago, architect Laurie Baker showed us how to build sustainably using a Gandhian approach, both to materials as well as to techniques, truth of expression and honest use of form and techniques. Today, this has become more relevant than ever before. HUDCO, the Housing and Urban Development Corporation, where I worked, took up this mantle, and we were able to support and promote a national network of building centers with this objective of transferring this know-how from lab to land.
In order to promote alternate technologies in rural communities, CRISP supported a building which is an Anganwadi in Kanchipuram district as a pilot. This pilot project was built using an district mineral fund, and we would like to thank both the Kanchipuram project director and the collector for giving all the support in this project.
It's very heartening to see that today these approaches are being adopted and adapted in a large number of projects across the entire spectrum, mostly in residential projects. But there is still very little of it to be seen in public buildings. At CRISP, got an opportunity to put up a small demonstration in Uttaramerur, Kanchipuram district.
The site is located in southeast of the existing primary school compound. It has an entrance from west direction. The dimension of the site is 16 meter by 10 meters. The site is surrounded by banyan tree in the north, existing primary school in the west, residential block in the east, and a series of trees in the south. Children naturally tend to gather and interact in circles or smaller circular groups during activities. The round form of the classroom fosters inclusivity, better group dynamics, and encourages open participatory learnings. These principles have been incorporated in the Anganwadi design by introducing circular form layout, which supports group interaction and children-centric activity. The Anganwadi is designed for an area of 672 square feet. It has a hall in the center, connecting all other spaces such as kids toilet, kitchen, and outdoor play area. It has a entrance through veranda space. Kitchen has a separate entrance through the veranda without disturbing the function of the hall. The outdoor play area is enclosed with brick jali walls and has access only through hall to monitor the activities of the children. Classroom is well lit and well cross ventilated with the placement of doors and windows in regular intervals. The hall, veranda space, and sunshades are designed with slope roof. Kitchen and toilet areas are designed with flat roof. To achieve stack effect, smoke tiles are placed in center of the pitched roof for the hot air to rise and go out. Height of the window sill are lowered to 1 feet from the floor level so that they are at the eye level of the children. The compound wall is defined by a brick arch, creating a visibility and character for Anganwadi.
What I wanted to say was to stress on how in today's environment of climate change and climate justice, the use of these local materials, optimize the use of more energy intensive materials like cement and steel. They contribute to a much lesser embodied carbon, much lesser carbon footprint, and are therefore much more relevant in today's state of the environment. Because this is a demonstration of public finance in the public system for a public building, which is going to be used by very poor sections of society who are probably the ones who are going to bear the brunt of all the increasing heat and all the other climatic changes. It will help to mitigate the effects for them in some manner, which I think is very significant.
Since the site is located in a mining district, there are abundant availability of stones in the vicinity. Thus, we went for dry rubble masonry for foundation and plinth level. The walls are load bearing, built with wire cut bricks with rat trap technology, which also act as a thermal insulated wall. The flat roof is casted with RCC filler slab with MP tiles as filler material, which was available locally. The slope roof is done with steel truss work covered with mangled pattern tiles and V-board as a false ceiling. We have used old refurbished doors and windows for the classroom.
CRISP was started by 10 senior civil servants in 2023, and presently we work with 13 different state government in 4 different sectors, which includes higher education, ECE, rural development and supporting poorest of the poor.
என் பேர் வந்து புண்ணியகோட்டி சார். நான் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் ப்ளம்பிங் வேலை செஞ்சுருக்கேன் இந்த பில்டிங்கில். பில்டிங் புதுவிதமாக இருக்குது, பில்டிங் தரமாக இருக்குது, கூலிங் தன்மை அதிகம் இருக்குது, பசங்களுக்கும் நல்ல வசதியாக இருக்குது. ஊர் மக்களும் இதை வரவேற்கிறாங்க பில்டிங்கை.